Craig Hodges, one stock you like at the Hodges Small Cap Fund is American Airlines. It's down almost 20% year to date. So has the benefit of lower oil prices worn off this airline?
I don't believe so. In fact, I'm believing that analysts are going to need to come in and raise estimates. If you've seen what the price of jet fuel, in May it was $1.90, now it's $1.46. That's the major component of an airline's costs. So you're going to see upward revisions in earnings. And the stocks are trading 4, 5, some Americans like 4 times earnings. They'll earn close to $10 a share. The stock's around 44. I think it's extremely inexpensive here.
All right, you're also a fan of Trinity Industries. They're a rail car maker. They also make dividers. Stock's up around 1% so far this year. They had a big case, which is now, I'm pretty sure, behind it regarding their dividers. So what's going ahead? What's going to go on with Trinity?
Trinity's trading about half of where it was this time a year ago. They've had 2 quarters in a row where they've beat expectation and raised estimates, and the stock hadn't done anything. There's big insider buying. They'll earn about $4.75 this year, and the stock's 27, 28. Very inexpensive stock. Insider buying. I think the rail car news cycle, because of the new regulations, is going to bring a whole new buying cycle. So Trinity's probably my favorite idea in here.
And you're also a fan of Matador Resources. This is a shale play, which is up 10 or 11% so far this year. And that's hard because a lot of the energy players are really depressed as oil goes lower.
Matador has it's the best small cap E&P management team. And they're incredibly efficient. Their costs have been cut in half over the last year. Their drilling time has been cut in half over the last year. And they get more and more efficient each well they drill. And at $45, $47 oil, these guys still make 30 to 50% on their oil rigs. So we think oil will come back at some point, don't know when, but Matador is going to be a big beneficiary when it does.
And finally, you're positive on Capstone. They're in the paper making business. There's not a lot of companies still making paper.
Yeah.
Stock, however, struggled this year, down almost 20%. What turns it around?
A lot of people were looking for a lot of these virgin paper companies to get MLP status, and they did not. So the stocks have been hit hard. But it trades at a very low multiple. It's a high barrier of entry business. And there's more and more cardboard used, moving everything, FedEx, everything, Starbucks cups. They do a lot of that kind of stuff. So Capstone, I believe, is a good growth vehicle from here.
All right. Thanks a lot, Craig.
Pleasure.
And thank you for watching The Street.